Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your adapter and permissions. You need an interface that supports Bssid association and admin rights. Once done, locate the target Bssid and SSID exactly as shown by the access point, case matters for hex. Then open the network tool or terminal where you will issue the association command. On mobile use, advanced Wi-Fi options. Make sure the interface is up and not blocked by network managers, because an inactive interface will prevent scanning and connection. You perform a targeted scan to confirm the AP's channel and security. This reduces connection errors. Next, bind to the SSID while specifying the Bssid. This forces the adapter to prefer that MAC address. For example, use nmacli, IO, or WPA supplicant parameters that accept Bssid equals and freq equals or channel equals values. Provide the correct passphrase or key management settings. If you don't match the AP's auth method, the association will fail. Once parameters are applied, start the association attempt and watch logs for progress. You finish by obtaining an IP, request a DHCP lease, or assign a static address matching the network. Then verify the link with a quick ping and examine signal strength and negotiated rates to ensure a stable connection. If the DHCP step times out or ping fails, try renewing credentials, rescan the channel, or explicitly reissue the association with the Bssid. As a key troubleshooting tip, if binding to the Bssid repeatedly fails, test with the AP's SSID only to isolate driver or regulatory restrictions before changing hardware or firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.